we want to discuss. So here it is. Okay, so I have taken a lot of batch sessions kind of stuff. Okay. So you have two sessions. One is technical session, another one is a communication session is there. So technical session usually starts at 10 a.m. So every day it will goes up to 1:30. Actual time is 1:30 p.m. Okay, so actually it should be 9:30 to 1:30 p.m. So some people are unable to do it and offline classes online, and this is the confusion. So make it as a 10. So be there at 9:45 and to join the 10 o'clock. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, maybe plus or minus because I have to travel. Okay, so usually these are the timings. So mostly we'll complete by 1 o'clock. Okay, mostly we will complete by 1 o'clock only. So any doubts, anything, sometimes it will extend. It is a technical training, so it is taken care by me. Okay, nothing. Soft skills session. Soft skills is about your communication session. So it is going to be taken care by either Revan sir or maybe some other trainer. Okay. So morning technical means afternoon soft skills session is there. That again decided by soft skills person. I mostly Revan sir will decide whether he's going to start the session or not in the afternoon session. Okay. So that timings I don't know. So they will inform you directly in your WhatsApp group. So when will be the soft skill session? So it's going to be start today or tomorrow. They will inform you. Okay. So I am not now. So when it is going to be started. Okay. This is about the timings, guys. Next, in a technical training, so you are going to be learn about a few topics. So your PC hardware and operating system basics about your CPU, about your RAM, about your motherboard. This basic computer big things because people are from different backgrounds, so may not have a basic understanding of computer. So we are going to tell about basic hardware kind of stuff. Okay, and operating system related information. Some are some practicals also there. Next one is networking basics, like what is a network, what is different types of network topologies, IP addresses, OSI layers, TCP IP, and then it is hardware and networking related troubleshooting kind of stuff. Okay. So next will be there. It's like about is a service desk and ITIL. What is a service desk? How the service desk will function? Okay, so what are the different roles in the service desk? How to communicate with the using service desk like that? Okay, so those kind of stuff also there. And what is an ITL? ITL is a IT infrastructure library actually used in an IT organization. So each and every person has a role, right? So business unit person is there, manager is there, HR is there, technical people are there, developers are there. Okay, infrastructure maintenance people are there. Infrastructure is there like a servers, routers, and all. So how these things, entire thing will be in the process, how it will be function individually, how it will be function as a single process. So understanding of that process management by ITL. So that is also one of the important something. Next is different servers. Like here you have a physical servers are there, operating system based like Windows server, Linux servers are there. What is the purpose of these servers? Will provide a different services. Okay, Active Directory services like authentication. You have a user account password. It will authenticate. Who will authenticate? Active Directory services. You are using a laptop or mobile phone. So you are connected to your Wi-Fi router. So you'll get an IP address. To communicate in the network, you need an IP address. So you don't know how to configure. But who will give that IP address? DHCP server. DNS, all communications by IP address only. But we don't know all the IP addresses of internet related, right? We don't know IP address of google.com, facebook.com, youtube.com. So how we will able to communicate? We are using a name, but actually we should communicate with an IP address on, right? So DNS servers will map this IP address to name, name to IP address. So when you put a name, automatically it will change it to map to the IP address. The communication will happen with an IP address on. Okay. Not only this, guys, web services. So I open some website. I open some website. So like for example, Java T point. So where is this matter located? In the web server. How can I able to access this web server content from my browser? So through the web server only. Okay. So that is a web server. So different type of servers. I'm sending mail. I'm receiving a mail because of mail server. I can upload and download files. FTP server. Different type of servers are there. So what are those servers? What is their services? We can understand. Next one is what is an Outlook? Okay, how Outlook will work. Okay, how it will work, what protocols you should use it. If you have an issue with an Outlook, so what are the how to troubleshoot those kind of issues? Let's see. What is a VPN? Okay, so you doing a work from home, so you are unable to go to office. So or maybe you need to work continuation, but you have to be leave. You have to go to your hometown. But if you are not in the office, you cannot connect it to your servers. But it is urgent matter. You have to go to hometown, but still you have to work. So how to connect remotely? Using VPN. So what is a VPN? How we connected with a VPN? What are the different type of VPNs are there? Those kind of stuff. And very basic level, what is a cloud? What is the use of cloud? What are the different cloud services? Like what is infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service? What is private cloud, public cloud, hybrid cloud? Different public cloud services are available. So what are those kind of stuff for cloud services in the market? Okay. What is the benefit of using a cloud computing? Those kind of stuff also we'll see. Office 365 is one of the office tool. So you may think I'm using this Google Docs on my browser. I'm not using any MS Office for this one. So I can easily share from it. If I put it in my laptop or Docs application, so again I have to send the document through WhatsApp, right? But here it is simply I'm sharing a link. You can access anytime, anywhere without downloading any documents here. Without downloading any software. Simply using browser, you can access. I've added your attendance in this. This is my Office 365. Okay. So in Office 365, so I am using this Excel sheet and also I can use Word, Outlook, PowerPoint, everything in the under single name. I can do it. I can store it. I can share it to my organization also. I can't share it this Excel sheet to you, but through my to my organization, I have made a one attendance sheet. Now, the team, the HR team, or some the people who are a communication trainer, they need my sheet. I can share it within my organization. So it's what is this Office 365? So why it is more important than Microsoft Office installed into your own laptop kind of stuff. Okay, what are the different services and uses? Also, we will discuss. Maybe there is some few small points, or maybe they like a different type of storages. Okay, backups kind of stuff. If possible, time is available. I will tell what kind of different storage is available, what type of backups are available. Okay, what is meant by backup, and of course, Windows 10 administration, Windows 10 or Windows 11, what is the different administration means, how to make a partition in a system, how to share a folder, how to add a printer. Okay, so like that. So few small things are there. so we should not. Okay, so these are the major topics in your technical training. Okay, anybody having any other doubts or anything, please ask me. Hmm? Guys,
No, sir, we're good to go, sir.
guys, always remember this is the process of your selection. Already, people are spoken to you, but I'm telling. The first one is you have to clear the Versant test. Versant test is communication, your English communication test. It is read, writing, listening based. Okay. It is computer based test. So no need to go to any place. Simply you need a laptop with a good internet, not your mobile internet. So it must have better internet, Wi-Fi internet kind of stuff. Next one is make sure you should have a proper headphones, not earphones, not your mobile earphones kind of stuff, not a Bluetooth kind of stuff. So better to have proper headphones. Nowadays we are getting a USB based headphones, right? So full cover, noise cancellation kind of stuff. Okay, so that is always good. So any disturbance from outside, noise also there, so that is also give you less score. You should have a more than 60% of score. More than 60 is good always. Okay, so that again version test related information given by your communication trainer or Ravan sir only. Okay, but first you should pass in the version test. Of course, your technical training is going on, your communication is going on. For from the day one onwards, practice. Sir will share all the videos related to version test also. Okay, so do it. Try to make sure that you have to clear the version test. You pass in the version test, then only technical interview. Okay, so there is some voice and accent round is there. So second round now they are added. So voice and accent. So compulsory practice. Any MTI mother tongue influences are there, or maybe the way of speaking practice that is important, right? So once it is done, so technical interview all about what are the topics we discuss from that questions only, very basic level technical questions only. But definitely troubleshooting questions are there and other topics questions like hardware related, network related, operating system related, cloud and Office 365 related technical questions are there. Service desk, ITIL questions also they will ask. It depends upon how you speak. That too technical, make sure that you are telling correct answer with a proper sentence construction. Okay, so that is first from day one onwards, you have to practice how to tell an answer. Okay, once technical interview clear, HR round, once HR is round, it is going for a onboard processing. Okay, so your background verification and everything will be happens and you will be brought into the HCL. So this is our selection process. Any doubts in this?
No, sir.
Very. Guys, I told about technical interview,
No, sir.
but yeah, very good. Technical interview, two parts. One is technical part. So they're asking all the technical questions as well as they can ask you some of your personal based questions. Personal based questions means not only tell me about yourself, also they will ask something like in a communication wise. Tell me about your village, your hobbies, your strengths, your weaknesses, your final year projects, about your friends, how you celebrate last birthday, what are the movies you watch. Okay, so this you're purely personal based. So compulsory, not only tell me about yourself, also other things also you can prepare. Either note down or something you do it and keep practicing how to tell an answer. Okay, make it more clear and easy way to tell an answer, guys. Do not use more strong words in it. Some people are difficult to spell certain words, but they want to put it because a chat GPT told me. That's why I'm putting this one. No, guys, always speak very lighter and easy language. That will make people to easy to speak and as well as easy to listen also. Okay. Weaknesses, strengths, prepare what is your weakness, what is your strength kind of stuff, what are your goals, short-term goal, long-term goal, where do you want to see yourself in next 5 years and next 10 years kind of stuff. And there is a very important and difficult question is if you are from non-IT, from because from you are from BE, BTech, mechanical background or civil background or electrical background, electronics background, okay, instrumentation background, non-IT background. So why you choose IT? It's a most common question in any interview. So why you choose IT? Because this is IT field. So why you choose IT? Always tell a positive answer, guys. Don't say negative answers. So I'm in a mechanical, there is very less job opportunities. Don't tell that kind of answers. I'm very much interested in IT. IT is always having a rapid growth. So once we are into the IT, so always it is a rapid growth, and we can able to keep learning. I'm very good at keep learning kind of stuff. Okay, I'm going to add some more skill to my IT experience so I can grow faster and I can move to the management side once after 10 years of experience in IT. I can go to the IT management side also. So a lot of growth and easy to grow in organization. Okay, so like that. So nowadays we are having more artificial intelligence and machine learning. So I want to be in that field one day. So I want to be in IT. So then I can easily going to learn those things kind of something purpose, no problem. Okay. Now even it is not your target, guys. I like very much in my electronics field, but still I will tell about IT field is very good. I don't tell electronics field is bad. I don't tell that one. Okay. Don't say negative kind of stuff answers about anything. Always positive about your choosing IT. Second one is if you are from IT or CSC background. If you are from IT or a CSC background. So why you choose this service desk analyst profile? Your profile is service desk analyst. Why you choose this trainee analyst or service desk analyst field? Which is a entry level job. So it is good to get into the IT field. So because actually very less chances for programmers, less chances for direct cloud engineers, right? So I service desk analyst is a very good once you are into the IT, that is a very good opening. Once you are there, you can start learning. So you can start learning about cloud computing, DevOps, or anything related to automations. You keep learning, automatically you will move into the different sectors. Next one is, guys, service desk is just a title. Okay. Whether you are working on a hardware related, networking related, server related, cloud related, programming related, you are a tester or maybe you are a belongs to some what we can say a developer kind of stuff. Okay. Or maybe you are a AML kind of prompt engineers kind of stuff. Okay. Service desk is a common name in service desk. So multiple skilled people are there, multiple skilled people, multiple technology people are there. So only thing is service desk is a common title for all these people. Okay. So once you are in a service desk, so you keep learning, keep adding your skills and technologies. It is always a growth in the IT industry. So that is the best answer we can tell. Okay. So like that. So don't say like, sir, I do not get a job from because of this corona and all, no openings. I try for a programmer, I want to become a developer. No choice are there, I am coming here. So now in my college, so only one selection is happened, that is me. So I cannot go. So don't say negative answers. Always tell you want to do this one. You want to, your skill is here. You want to grow in this kind of industry. You want to grow with this profile. Always positive kind of stuff only, guys. Not over positive. Okay. Don't say like I'm enthusiastic, I'm a very good. Okay. So don't go with over positiveness, but give some simple and positive answers. Okay. What are the technologies you learn? So from your selection, you maybe your 2022 or 2023 pass out. So here it is, we have a more than 6 months of gap. What are the technology, either in your college or maybe out of the college? Any technology you learn anything about a cloud, or maybe you learn about Python, you learn about any full stack development, or DevOps, you learn, you know, like this. You can tell them which technologies you want to learn in the future. Maybe you have learned only Python now. You want to learn about AWS cloud, or maybe you want to become a data engineer, or maybe like that. So you want to learn about what we can say, yeah, power, power BA or Tableau kind of stuff you want to learn, or maybe you want to learn about something related to ETL tools, or maybe you want to learn about some server technologies. Which technology you want to learn? So make up some one or two thing in your mind, so you can tell. Okay. Why should I select you? This is a very big question, right? So there is no correct answer for it, but you can still tell why should I select you. So you have enough qualification for this particular role, and you are very enthusiastic to, you are a learner. So you're a very good learner to learn the technologies, what are the things available, what are the come to you. Okay. So like that. So make up your answer. Second one is, if you are not selected for this profile, what you do? Don't give reckless answer. Don't give submissive answer, guys. Some people will reckless, no problem, I will try another job role, no problem. No, so don't say like that. And also don't say like don't cry kind of stuff. Okay, so how it is, sir, I'm having lot of issues. If you are not giving a job, what can we do? Already we wasted lot of time. Don't tell these kinds of answers also. Don't tell these kind of answers. Okay. Tell if you are not selected. So we'll try again once another time of chances we are trying. I will keep learning. I'm keep trying to search for a job. I'm keep trying to get a more job, proper job. Okay. Maybe if one company is not selected you, your life is not stopped at that place, guys. Okay. I have went to so many interviews. I worked in so many organizations. My life is not stopped. I left so many organizations. Here I have worked for a very long time. So earlier it is 1.5 years only. Okay, I rejected in so many companies also. Life is now stopped, right? So no problem. You'll keep learning. I'm keep adding so many technologies to my resume. I keep learning. So I learn Windows servers. I learn CCNA. I learn virtualization. I learn Exchange servers. Okay. I learn cloud computing related. I keep adding. I learn DevOps. I learn Python. So I keep adding to keep my job, right? Also, for it is useful if you are having good at the technologies. It is always go for a better one, right? So tell a proper answer. Prepare some answer for that one. Rate yourself on your technical skill. Okay. So you have a technical knowledge on something. So what level of technical things you have? So either it is 10 or 8 or a 5. So you have to tell like you have a Python knowledge. So you're done a basic Python. So in a basic Python, I know my rating is 8, or maybe my rating is 9, like that. Okay. So like that. So we can rate what are the technologies if in case they ask question. So most funniest question is, if you win 1 million, so can you still working in HCL? So 1 million is in rupees is 10 lakhs. In America, it is 1 million means 10 lakhs dollars. So 10 lakhs rupees is different, 10 lakhs dollars is different, right? Almost all 80 times difference is there. Okay, so almost from for them it is $1. Our $1 is 1 rupee, like that it is 800, more than 800, means 8 crores rupees, more than 8 crores rupees it is. Okay. I'll join in time button. No permission, but 30 minutes. Okay, so here it is. It's not about 10 lakhs rupees or 10 lakhs dollars, guys. It is all about money and work passion. So it is, the question is always like, so if you have a money, no need to work, right? You have a crores of money, so you don't need to work. It does not matter. It is not like that. Some people, even crorepati's, also will work. In my neighbors, so there are some crorepati's are there. Still, they are going to office. They'll put a bag on their shoulder. They're going to office. They work from morning to evening. They'll come back. It's not about how much money you have. It's about what is your passion. So your passion is about to work, learn, develop yourself. That is will give you satisfied. How much fathers given, or maybe some sudden money came to you. Still, you can able to do it for yourself. Okay, what is you? That is depends. I'm a trainer. I want to be a trainer. Even I got suddenly 1 crore rupees, 2 crore rupees. Maybe I will do same job. That is the money. I maybe I can have more facilities with the money. But my passion is about to teach the people. Okay. So some people will develop, some people may not. Okay. With my technologies, my sharing of knowledge. So it will help some people. So like that, I like that kind of stuff. Okay. It's about what is your passion kind of question. Okay. So what do you know about 70s? So go to the 70s website, check the what are the 70s solutions, what are the services provided by 70s, how you know about your 70s and all. Can go for HCL. What go to the uh, again Google HCL technologies. So search what are the HCL services are there, what where is it, when it is born, about some history about it is what is current history, current CEO of HCL. Okay, what is the current revenue of HCL, different departments in HCL. So everything is in the website. You can try what are you got at the point. Okay, if you know anything extra from any of your friends working in HCL, so then also can add those points. What application you know or worked? So generally, people from different backgrounds, you in your college also, you know some applications, right? Maybe mechanical people know SolidWorks, CATIA kind of stuff. Okay, different type of applications that are working. Even though it is a smaller or a bigger application, you can tell. Don't say web browser only. Okay, so any other applications, in your system. So find it out and put those names there. Okay, what do you? How do you think HCL is right place for you? That is a little difficult again. So how do you think? So HCL, about HCL, what do you think about working in HCL? If you have any friends or family members working in HCL, previous batch people, if you know something about the environment working in HCL, and HCL is one of the leading IT company, right? It is also an MNC, so we can tell those kind of stuff. Only thing is you have to make up some answer. That's the thing. What do you see as a major challenges in communicating with US clients? So your clients mostly US based people only. Okay. So you have to communicate and you have to guide the client how to utilize certain application, or maybe if they have some issues how to you have to guide them how to resolve their issues. For example, they're unable to access the printer. You have to you how you guide. So that one kind of stuff. The communication barrier is there. You have a communication there. Their way of language is maybe little different. Okay, their way of words they put it is a different, and our way of expressing sentences are different. Their sentence construction is little different. Ours is more grammatical. There are put some simple shortcut grammaticals only, not exactly like was or they don't may not mind, but still their sentence is different. Okay, so little, but still try to watch some India to US communication. So how they use a sentence, how we use a sentence for the same, and you can make up some mind and put a 1 or 2 points for that one. Okay, not only these questions, guys, and also there is some. There's 2 more points are there. Yeah, here it is. Talk about a topic which is not present in your resume. Okay, talk about sorry, 1 second, sorry guys. Talk about a topic that is not in your resume. In your resume, you mention about everything, right? Your name, phone number, your qualifications, your skill set, your project, everything. Find out something you miss in your resume. Check your resume, maybe strengths or weaknesses, or about something your personality related. So find out something which is not mentioned, that one. Okay. Or recent you learn something, the particular skill you have not mentioned. Find out it is not in your resume, you have to tell. It is not everybody will get all these questions. It's not like that. Get some people will get some questions from here. Some are maybe get different questions from here. Some are only 1 or 2 questions from here. Okay. So, but we need to prepare answering and keep practice answering. That is very important. Of course, all answers after version test only. But you should make up your mind. Make up some answers in your mind. How to handle irritated clients, frustrated clients, satisfied clients, friendly clients. I put only one, but there is some more things. How to handle. So when you are any business organization, whenever an IT organization means it is service oriented. Okay, the service is provided to a client. So when the client is getting like this, they are not getting a service. So your application is not working in their environment. They will get irritated, they will frustrated. Okay, guys. Yeah, how to handle a irritated clients, frustrated clients. Why the people get a frustrated? You are providing a service, but your services they're not working. Your applications they are not working there. There are ask for help to solve their issues, but your company is not responding to them properly. You are not resolving their issues. Automatically, they will frustrated, right? How to handle that kind of stuff? They'll get an angry. They will try to scold you, or maybe they don't scold. That is a violation. Okay, they don't scold generally. We are doing this telephone business. That is different point, but they won't scold you. But still, there are have issues. So you have to handle, you have to calm them and understand what is their issues and give the immediate response, try to resolve it, give the reason why it is not able to resolve at this particular point of time. give the information, put it in documents. What is that situation? Why it is happened like that? Okay. So these are the different type of questions they will ask in your voice and accent as well as a technical interviews also. In a technical about a technical part, everything. What is a CPU? What is RAM? If you got these particular issues, how you resolve it? What is the difference between RAM and ROM? What is the difference between public cloud and private cloud? What is the difference between normal Office and Office 365? What is the difference between LAN and WAN? What is the difference between switch and router? What is the difference between Java and Python? What is the difference between like that type of technical questions will be there. Okay. Of course, it's not we are not going to teach any Java Python. Depends upon your previous knowledge also. What is it? What about it? Explains, differences, and troubleshooting. These are the most common points in every topic you learn from here. Okay, so this is the things what I'm trying to say first of all. So second point is uh, I will after small break I'm going to tell about things like some system related kind of stuff first. Okay, now madam will going to Rajeshwari madam going to talk to you guys. Don't go anywhere. Okay, I will call her and